Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 8015 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you need to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 8015 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back, or one of the best results should be HP OfficeJet 8015 all-in-one printer, software, and drivers. Do not select the 8015E, select just the 8015. Now the drivers may be compatible, but you want to try and get the one specifically for the printer if you can. And then select the Easy Start Printer Setup software further down on the page. Let that download and then open up the file once it's done and then let it extract. Shouldn't take very long. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then allow for the HP Easy Start Guide to begin here and just follow through the on-screen steps of getting that configured for your device. And that's what you have to do. So again, just follow through the on-screen wizard if you want to have a wired or wireless-based connection, or if you want any optional software installed, you may need to just go through some different options on the screen here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.